Hi guys, for this episode or for this video, I'm gonna share to you how will I prepare for Korean inspired marination or preparation of meat, and we'll use some Korean ingredients as well. And from the previous videos that I have, I shared to you how I prepared it using the soy sauce, but right now we'll use a different ingredients in preparing, and once we have done this, we can use it for our grilling, barbecue, or just simply frying it. Hope you will like this one, and if this is your first time watching this video or this YouTube channel, please make sure to like and subscribe here. Okay, and let's go. I'll share it to you. So I already did some preliminary preparation. I already deboned the chicken. Here are the bones. So I usually have the garlic, the ginger, salt, and pepper. And this one is they call it hot pepper paste in Korean. So we can use this in our preparation for our Korean inspired marination or chicken meat. Okay. Then I just want to add that we have rosemary here, like what I said from my previous videos. I normally have some herbs at my mini garden, so I just got it. So these are fresh rosemary, so you can use them on the preparation as well. Okay. I already cut the ginger and the garlic into small pieces, and I also prepared the rosemary. For this marination, the crushed red pepper is an optional, but for me, I normally have 2 kids, so I try to as much as possible to make it less hot but more spicy. Okay, so we can mix it with the chicken now. So you just put all of the spices, the salt, garlic, rosemary, pepper, and oyster sauce. So this one is the Korean pepper, hot pepper paste. So depending on how much spiciness you like, put it on the chicken, and then we'll try to mix it as well. Okay, so you can also put the lemon juice, or if you have actual lemon at your house, or in Philippines we have calamansi. We can use that as well on our preparation. So we're gonna mix all of our ingredients. And use our hands. So now we have our own Pinoy / Korean style of meat preparation. So you can use this for grilling, for Korean barbecue, or for just frying it out, and of course depending on how you want to cook it. Alright. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed and you learned something about preparing the chicken meat with Korean ingredients, but still Pinoy style. And hope you can try it at your house or at your home, and let me know if you're able to follow the same instructions, and how will it taste like. And if you like this video and you want to stay tuned for upcoming videos that we will publish, please make sure to like and subscribe here. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. For this one, we just fried the chicken and then put some rice on it, and have mixed rice. For this one, we just put it in the pan, let it simmer, and then I just put all of the herbs that I have right now, and let's see once it's cooked. I also want to put some carrots and celery as well on this afterwards, and then once it's cooked, we can put some spinach as well. Okay. Okay, this is the finished dish.